Welcome learners, this is Teacher Susan from Flying Kite School, and I'm going to give you a lesson in science. And our topic for today is matter. So, what exactly is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has got weight. So now, what exactly is weight? Weight is how heavy or how light something is. And we are going to look at the 3 states of matter because it exists in 3 steps. We are going to look at solid, liquid, and gas. So we're going to look at these states of matter in detail. So we're going to start with solid. What exactly is a solid? Well, a solid is something that has volume and has shape. Alright? So I'm going to give you examples of solids. I'll start with this stone. It has got a volume and has got shape. Next, I'm going to give you this book. This book is an example of a solid because it has a shape and it has a volume. Now, I'm sure you must be wondering, Teacher Susan, what exactly is volume? Well, my darling, volume is anything that occupies space. I'm sure while you're seated there, you're occupying space. That is an example of volume. So volume is just anything that occupies space. So we're going to move further to some more examples of solids that you know. A rectangle is a solid because it has got shape and it has got volume. A pencil is an example of a solid because it has got a shape and it has got a volume. We're going to move to the other particle of matter. This is liquid. Now, liquid, you must be thinking, liquid, what is liquid? Well, liquid is anything that flows freely. An example of a liquid that I can tell you is water. The water that you're seeing in this lunch box is a liquid. So how can you know that this is a liquid? A liquid has a volume and it has got no shape because it takes the shape of a container in which it is kept. If I put this water in a bottle, it is going to take the shape of that bottle. That is why we're saying that this is a liquid. So let's look at some other examples of liquids that you know. I'm sure early in the morning you had a cup of tea. That is a liquid. I'm sure around 10, 11 you had a snack. I'm sure you had juice. That is liquid. When mom is frying an egg, she uses cooking oil. That is a liquid. So you can think of some other liquids that you know. I'm sure you love cornflakes. You enjoy it with milk. Milk is equally a solid, especially Parmalat. That is a liquid. You love Mojo, that juice, that is a liquid. So we're going to move to other liquids that you know. I'll count up to 3 and then you give me the liquids that you know. So 1, 2, 3. Excellent. I love that. So we're going to look to the other state of matter, which is a gas. Well, you must be thinking, what is a gas? A gas flows freely. A gas has no shape and has no volume. It takes up the shape of the container or anything that is in which it is kept. For example, if I blow air in this balloon, the balloon is going to take the shape of the air that I'm going to blow in. So let's see. Okay, so that is air that I have put in here. Some other examples of air that you know. When they are making firewood, the smoke that comes out, that is air. The air that we breathe in, that air is an example of a gas. So you can think of some other gases that you know. For example, carbon monoxide, those are examples of gases. So we are going to end here for today, but I would love to see the work that you're going to answer because I've sent you a task after this lesson so that we can understand whether you've understood the lesson or not. So from me learners, it's next time and see you and ensure that you answer the work. Thank you very much.